Hello, my name is Ramanya Vadim from MT 2001. Today I will try to study topic like Taylor and maclaurin series. And let's go. In mathematics, the Taylor series of a function is an infinite sum of terms that are expressed in terms of the function's derivatives at a single point for most common functions. The function and the sum of its Taylor series are equal near this point. Taylor series are named after Brooke Taylor, who introduced them in 1715. Let f be a function with derivatives of all orders throughout some interval containing a as an interior point. Then the Taylor series generated by f at x equal to a, and the formula will be like this. Will be like this. And let's try to solve one example. Just a moment. I already tried to solve example, and I draw it in PowerPoint. Oh, sorry, Paint. And let's try to find Taylor series generated by this function, where function is equal to sinus x and a is equal to interior point is equal to p over 4. And firstly, we must to find first, second, and third derivatives of this function. F0 will be like this: sinus p over 4 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2, and first derivatives of this function will be like this: cosinus p over 4, where it is equal to the square root of 2 over 2, and second derivatives will be like this, third derivatives will be like this, and then we must to place it this place it in this in the Taylor series formula. The Taylor series our Taylor series will be like this: the square root of 2 over 2 plus the square root of 2 divided by 2 and x minus p over 4 and minus the square root of 2 over 2 divided by 2 factorial, because Taylor series looks like this. and divided by 2 factorial, multiply x minus 5 over p over 4 square plus minus because third derivatives is equal to minus the square root of 2 over 2 divided by 3 factorial, multiply x minus p over 4 and cube. And that's all for Taylor series. Let's try to and let's try to understand maclaurin series. If 0 is a point where the derivatives are considered, which means interior point is equal to 0. A Taylor series is also called maclaurin series after Colin Maclaurin, who made extensive use of this special case of Taylor series in the 18th century. And the maclaurin series of f is a Taylor series generated by f at interior point is equal to 0. The maclaurin series formula looks like this. and we can see the interior points where x is equal to 0. What? And also let's try to um, solve one problem for maclaurin series. Let's try to find maclaurin series generated by this function. Fx function is equal to x x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 5x plus 4. And for maclaurin series we must also find first, second, third, and fourth derivatives. You can see how I've found this derivatives. And for maclaurin series we must to replace these equations for maclaurin's formula, which looks like this. And our answer looks like this: 4 minus 4, which means f0x, because our interior point is equal to 0, and x to the power of 4 also 0, x power of x cube also 0, just x will be also 0, and our answer is 4, and we replace it firstly, then minus 5x, because our first derivatives of this function is equal to minus 5 x, x for the formula, and plus 0 x to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial, and minus 2x cube divided by 3 factorial, because our third derivative is equal to minus 12 minus 12, and so we get this answer, minus 12x cube divided by 3 factorial plus 24, because our fourth derivatives is equal to 24. 24x to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial, and this equation will be our answer for maclaurin series. And so that's all. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.